Have you ever dreamt of escaping the familiar, of venturing beyond the well-trodden paths to uncover a world untouched by the ordinary? Our planet holds countless secrets, hidden gems waiting to be unearthed by intrepid explorers like you. Join me, Alex, as we embark on a journey to reveal some of the most captivating and underrated destinations for 2025. From ancient ruins to pristine beaches, prepare to be inspired to expand your travel horizons. Our first hidden gem takes us to the enchanting island of La Gomera, part of the volcanic archipelago known as the Canary Islands. Stepping onto this island is like stepping back in time. Ancient forests, shrouded in mist, cling to the steep volcanic slopes, a symphony of green so intense they seem almost unreal. These are the laurel forests, a prehistoric ecosystem home to an abundance of life found nowhere else on Earth. Listen closely, and you might hear the distinctive call of the laurel pigeon echoing through the trees. Our next hidden gem transports us to the deserts of Saudi Arabia, where an ancient city carved from sandstone cliffs has stood the test of time. This is Mada'in Saleh, a testament to the Mada'in civilization, who once controlled the trade routes of incense and spices. Imagine, if you will, skilled artisans painstakingly carving intricate facades into the sheer rock face, creating tombs and temples that rival the beauty of Petra. Explore this forgotten city, and you'll walk in the footsteps of traders and travelers who journeyed across vast distances, their stories etched into the very stones themselves. Chapter 3. Tranquility and Tradition. The floating villages of Lake Inle, Myanmar. Our journey now takes us to the tranquil waters of Lake Inle, nestled high in the Shan Hills of Myanmar. Here life unfolds at a different pace. Imagine, if you will, a mirror-like lake reflecting the sky and the clouds above. On its surface, graceful wooden houses stand on stilts, connected by a network of canals. This is the world of the Intha people, who have lived in harmony with the lake for generations. Watch as fishermen cast their nets using a unique leg-rowing technique, their movements as fluid as the water itself. Chapter 4. Nature's Masterpiece, the Marble Caves of Patagonia, Chile. Prepare to be amazed as we venture to the heart of Patagonia, a land of towering peaks and glacial lakes. Here, hidden away in a remote corner of Chile, lies a natural wonder that will take your breath away. Imagine, if you will, a labyrinth of caves, sculpted over millennia by the relentless forces of wind and water. But these are not ordinary caves. The walls shimmer and dance with an ethereal glow, for they are made entirely of marble. As you glide through the turquoise waters in a small boat, the sunlight filtering through the cave ceiling paints the walls with an ever-changing palette of colors, a true masterpiece of nature's art. Chapter 5. A journey back in time, the ancient city of Ani, Turkey. Our final hidden gem takes us to the borderlands of Turkey, where an ancient city, once a bustling metropolis, now lies in ruins, frozen in time. This is Ani, the city of 1001 churches, a testament to the power and artistry of the medieval Armenian kingdom. Imagine, if you will, walking through the crumbling walls, the ghosts of empires past whispering on the wind. Gaze upon the magnificent ruins of churches and palaces, their intricate carvings still bearing witness to a glorious past. Here, on the edge of civilization, you can almost hear the echoes of merchants bargaining, the murmur of prayers, and the clash of swords, a poignant reminder of the ebb and flow of history. Outro: unforgettable adventures await. So there you have it, a glimpse into some of the world's best-kept secrets waiting to be discovered. From the volcanic landscapes of the Canary Islands to the ancient cities of Turkey, our planet is full of hidden gems, each with its own unique story to tell. I hope these destinations have inspired you to venture off the beaten path and create your own unforgettable travel memories. Remember, adventure is out there for those who seek it. Now, it's time for you to write your own chapter in the grand adventure of travel. Click on the link in the video description and you will find many essential travel products that will help you organize a happy trip for you and your family.